In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a drop-down menu, submenu in Wix Studio. By the end, you'll have a clean, professional navigation that keeps related pages organized and easy to find. We'll start inside the Wix Studio editor. On the left side menu, click Pages. This is where you'll create the items that will live inside your drop-down. Click Add Page or Add New Item if that's what you see, and make at least 3 demo pages. Common examples are About Us, Services, and Contact. Give each page a clear, short name so visitors immediately understand what they'll find. The actual content isn't important right now. We just need multiple pages to group under one menu label. You can always come back to refine the content later. Next, go to your site's main navigation at the top of the editor and click it to select the menu. Then choose Manage Menu or Menu Settings to open the full menu editor. This is your control center for creating, labeling, and organizing items. Inside the menu editor, click Add Item. Rather than linking this new item directly to a page, select Create Dropdown. In some versions, it might be called submenu or folder, and that's perfectly fine. It's the same idea. Give the dropdown a clear label, like More or Services. Keep it short because this label will be visible in your navigation bar and act as the trigger for the dropdown. With the dropdown created, open it and click Add Item again. Now choose the pages you made earlier, About Us, Services, and Contact, and add them inside the dropdown. Drag to arrange them in a logical order and double check that each item links to the correct page. This is a great moment to refine labels so they're consistent in style and easy to read. Let's test it. Click Preview the eye icon at the top of the editor to see how the menu behaves. Hover over or click your new drop-down label and make sure the list appears smoothly, then click each link to confirm it opens the correct page. If anything looks off, maybe an item is out of order or the text isn't quite right, return to Manage Menu and adjust the labels or the sequence, then preview again. Once everything works as expected, click Publish in the top right corner. Your Wix Studio site now features a polished submenu that streamlines navigation and helps visitors find what they need faster. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.